Hello friends, hope everybody's doing well out there. Today I am doing unboxing on this KL8 Plus backlit wireless keyboard and mouse combination here. Alright, so this is wireless super quiet keys, long battery life, RGB backlight. That's it for the box there. Comes with a USB adapter as well as a cord. So that is nice. You can charge up your devices there. Here is the mouse right there. Kind of a nice ergonomic design right there. Fits nicely in the palm of your hand. Wow, that like custom right there. Impressive. It's a little USB dongle receiver. It has an anti-sleep button on the mouse, which I've never heard of before, but what a great idea. There's nothing more annoying than your computer just goes to sleep all the time on you while you're trying to do stuff. You leave, come back at work or something, and your computer's asleep, and you got to go through the whole process putting in the password again or whatever if you don't want to reset that, or if it's already set for you, you can't turn it off. It's got the Jiggler mouse button here on the back, and that allows you to not to keep your keyboard or your computer from like falling asleep on you. So that's kind of handy there. All right, let's get this set up real quick and show you guys how it looks. So you can see it's got some really nice oversized keys there. These are backlit also. So if you're having difficulty seeing there, or it's a darker situation and you're not that good at typing, you don't know where the keys are or whatever, then this is going to be super handy. So let's get this fired up here. Well, here we go. All right, that was like about the easiest thing ever to set up. Put the little dongle in the USB, and that connects both the keyboard and the mouse in there. Super cool. All right, so you see the mouse has that breathing going through the RGB breathing thing. That's pretty cool. So Jiggler mode is just press this lowest button on the mouse, hold it down for 5 seconds, and then if you are away from your keyboard or just don't move for 5 seconds, it'll just start randomly moving the cursor around on the screen, and that keeps you from your computer from going to sleep. I've never heard of that before. Really cool little thing. I work a lot, and you leave for get distracted or something, and before you know it, your computer is like gone to sleep, and you gotta put in the password all over again. So that's a cool feature. The mouse is really quite smooth. The buttons are, you can adjust how fast you want the mouse to move with this second button here. Right click, left click seems really smooth on these. They're quiet too. It doesn't make a loud clicking noise. The scroll bar, everything's nice and smooth on the mouse. I'll say the keyboard. This is RGB. Also has a nice little pad here in the front, so you can put your hands on there. It's got a little curve to it, so it adds to the ergonomic function there. We also have these little the on-off key is in the back here, but also have these little tabs there that lift, elevate your keyboard too. So if you want to type like that, that is nice. Okay, so then we have the different colors here. So FN, and you can adjust your brightness or on and off. We have the purple backlit right here, and then I can change different colors: green, blue, red, turquoise, yellow, purple, and white background. That is nice. And then you can adjust the brightness also with FN and up and FN and down, just make it really dim. Let's check it out. Turn off my lights here. We can get a little bit better idea of how this is looking. So there we have it right there. Nice and bright. I like the different colors there. You can just switch through, and looks really cool. And the letters and the keys are super easy to see. As you can see, the large letters and numbers on there, it makes it very convenient. So this is super lightweight as well. very functional, very nice keyboard. Seems like working quite well. I like that it's not, these are like quiet. They have a little bit of response to the keys, but they're not super loud or anything. So real quick, my friends, I wanted to show you guys this. The mouse is not moving, but the jiggler mode has been activated, and you can see that my cursor there is just kind of cruising around on there. Mouse not moving, but jiggler mode is keeping that moving and keeping my screen from going asleep. So pretty cool there. And this also goes to sleep after a while, but they can, with the touch of button, it just comes back on to save your battery life. So that is really nice. So I'm pretty impressed with it. I like that the plug and play is instantaneous. Really a user-friendly keyboard and mouse. The mouse fits perfectly in the hand. It's very comfortable, functions nicely. It's not loud, and the buttons are actually responsive though, so you can feel it. The feedback, but it's not like a loud thing. The keyboard also a nice soft touch. It has a little resistance, so you know you're actually pushing the button, but not a loud like clacking mechanical keyboard. So some really nice features. I like RGB thing and the larger letters and numbers on here. As we get older, it's more difficult to see, and maybe we don't all have the typing skills some people do. So nice little keyboard and mouse. Really great setup. Everything works really well. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.